So this is the question, exercise 5. Okay, the problem is find the total number of male or female in any organizations. It means in organizations you have to count how many female, yeah, how many male. Okay, see the program. The first is the clear screen. It will clear the screen means whatever the output in the previous programming, it will be clear and again show the new output. Okay, so here I use the clear screen. And the let command assign the value. Suppose n equal to 1, it means it assign the value here. This one is n box, okay, and assign the value. Okay, n is equal to 1, so it means n equal to 1. Second, assign the value male equal to 0. Suppose this one is male, this is the box, male box, and the value is 0, and female value is 0. Again say female and the value is 0. These are the three box. It is the box name n, this box name is male, this box name is female, and it keep the value 1, this keep the value 0 and 0. The one line is completed. Okay, second line, print command. As we know you understand, the print command, it will give the output as it is written here. Okay, the first you have written the enter the number of employee. The same output will be shown in your screen. See here, suppose this is the screen, it is your computer, okay, and it is a computer screen, and the first print command enter the number of employees, so it will be show here, enter the number of employees. Okay, after it you have take the input num, whatever the number users will give. Okay, suppose the first question is what is the number of employees, so the number of employees is 2000 in the organization, so number will be 2000. So see, the num is the second next variable, so again I draw the variable here, this is the num variable, and here suppose the 500 user give, the 500 employees in organizations. Okay, so the num is equal to 500. Now the do while is start from here. Okay, this is the do while, it is the it is the condition formatting. So the do while with conditions, कि n is less than num. What is the n? See, the value of n is 1. The value of n is 1 less than num. What is the value in num? See, what is the value in num? 500. So it will be compared here. What 1 less than 500? Yes, true. If it is true, it will inserted in this loop. Okay, it will be inserted in this loop, and the first print command is here. So the same output will be appear on the screen. Enter the gender, M for male and the F for female. So the same output will be shown here. See, enter the gender, M for male and F for female. After printed the print command, the input gender, whatever the user will give, either M or the F, male or the female. Another variable gender, a gender contain F or, suppose here is the next variable, gender variable, and it contain either F or male, F या M. Suppose anyone will contain. Now see, this is the condition. Here I use the if condition. If gender equal to female, then the value of female will be increased by 1. Else case, male will be increased by 1. It is only the two condition. Either the female will increase or male will increase. Condition if is int and the n is equal to n plus 1 and loop will complete. Okay, and see the output. Suppose the first we have choose enter the gender, we have written the name is Ram. If we written the female, the first is the female, then it will see the gender is female, f equal to f, yes true. If it is true, then the value of female will be increased by 1. See the value of female is 0 and the 0 will be increased by 1, it means the value will be 1. Okay, and it will not go to the else loop. Condition complete, n is equal to n plus 1, the value of n is equal to 1, again the value will be 2. Okay, so it will be 2. Again we go to this loop, will send to the do loop. Again the do loop will check the condition, n equal to 2 and less than 50, yes true. If it is true, it will insert in the print, enter the gender m or the m for male and f for female. Suppose this time male has insert, the male has entered the value, so he is the male, so it will write male. It will take the gender value is male, so here it is male. The male equal to female, no, it is not true, so the else part will be complete. In the else part, male is equal to male plus 1, it means the value of male will be increased by 1 and the value will be 1 here, and n is equal to n plus 1, the value of n is equal to 2 here, so again it will be increased by 1, so the value of n is equal to 3. So n, again loop command send to the do while and check the n is 3 and the 3 is less than 500, it will be goes on till the 500. Okay, until the end the value of n is the 501, until it will be continue running. And the last male or the female, suppose this time again the female have entered the value, again the value of gender is the female and the female value is equal to female, yes it is true. If it is true, the value of female will be increased by 1, it means the value of female is 1 already, so 1 increased by 1 equal to 2 and the loop is complete and the n is equal to n plus 1. Again it will be continue running, and after the result you can see here the male value is 1 and the female value is 2. The final output, this is the final output. What is the final result? Print number of female employee. The number of female employee equal to, bracket close, female. What is the value of female? 2. So result here 2 and the number of male employee equal to male. Value of male is 1. So it is 1 here. So what will be the output here? See, again the print command is here. So the result will be number of male employee, the number of male employee 1 and number of female employee 2. So this is the result, and this programming you have to write down in the copy and do continue. Okay.